Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to use Jotform in websites. So let's get started. The website builder that we will be using will be Google Sites. Now just go to blank site over here. Now go to Jotform and you can either choose Scratch or use template. We're just gonna use template for now. Now if you like any of the template, just click on it and now click on use template. Now on the left hand side click on add form elements, and now here you can add any of these elements on the left hand side, and you can do that easily by dragging and dropping it. And if you would like to remove any of these options, just click on it and click on the delete icon. Now once the form is done and it is about your liking, just click on publish in the middle. Now on the left hand menu go into embed and now click on copy code. And by the way, if you're using WordPress, just click on WordPress and go to copy code. Now what you have to do is to go back to Google Sites, and now on the right hand side tap on embed and now click on embed code and now paste it over here. Now tap on next and now tap on insert. Now just change it by pulling the sides and making it large. Once everything is to your liking, just click on publish on the top right hand side, and now once you click on publish, it will be saved. And now for example, if someone does go to your website and does enter their information, just go back to Jotform and on the left hand side go to my forms and now go into all forms, and now you will see the feedback form over here. Now on the right hand side just click on inbox, and now here you can see the comment that they have left, and there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.